Welcome back to my channel. Today we're diving into one of the most powerful and luxurious sports sedans on the market, the 2025 Audi 7 Rupees. This beast blends elegance, aggression, and cutting-edge tech into a package that's hard to ignore. Let's take a closer look at what makes the 2025 7 Rupees so impressive. Starting with the exterior, the RS7 carries forward Audi's sleek sportback design but with bolder, more muscular lines. The wide body, aggressive honeycomb grille, and signature matrix LED headlights make a powerful statement up front. Around the sides, you'll notice the flared wheel arches housing massive 22-inch alloy wheels, giving it an athletic stance. The sharp shoulder lines and sloping roofline flow smoothly to the back, where you're greeted with dynamic OLED taillights and a sport diffuser housing the signature dual-oval exhaust tips. Finished in a stunning metallic green color, it doesn't just turn heads, it locks eyes. Step inside, and the cabin is where luxury meets performance. The interior feels like a tech-savvy cockpit wrapped in premium materials. You get Valcona leather sport seats with contrast stitching, customizable in colors like black with green or red accents. The dashboard features Audi's signature dual touchscreen layout, with the upper screen handling infotainment and the lower screen for climate and comfort controls. The Virtual Cockpit Plus digital instrument cluster is crystal clear and fully customizable, offering performance data like G-forces, boost pressure, and lap timers. The RS steering wheel is flat-bottomed, wrapped in Alcantara or leather, and comes with dedicated RS drive mode buttons for quick access. You also get ambient lighting, a panoramic sunroof, Bang & Olufsen 3D sound system, and plenty of rear seat space, making it practical as well as premium. Now let's talk performance. Under the hood, the 2025 7 Rupees packs a 4.0-liter twin-turbocharged V8 engine producing 621 horsepower and 850 Nm of torque. Paired with an 8-speed Tiptronic transmission and Audi's legendary Quattro all-wheel drive system, it launches from 0 to 100 km/h in just 3.4 seconds. Top speed is electronically limited to 250 km/h but can be increased to 280 or even 305 km/h with optional dynamic packages. The adaptive air suspension ensures a smooth ride in comfort mode and tight, responsive handling when you switch to dynamic. Whether you're on a twisty mountain road or cruising on the highway, this car adapts like a true performance machine. As for the price, the 2025 Audi RS7 starts around $130,000 in the US, but with options like carbon ceramic brakes, advanced driver assistance systems, and interior upgrades, it can easily go past $150,000. It's definitely a high-end car, but for those who want power, presence, and everyday usability in one package, it's worth every penny. So that's the 2025 Audi RS7, a luxurious rocket on wheels that delivers both comfort and adrenaline. Let me know in the comments what you think of this beast, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more high-performance car reviews. See you in the next one.